first of all, I want to do is say congratulations to my t-shirt contest winner, Mary Shawan. I think I said your name right. Um, you should have got the t-shirt by now. I hope you like it, and just remember to keep trusting those vibes. YaDigg. And and what's great about it and what's dope about it is I'm at the point now where I'm a little bit over 300 subscribers, and when I get to 400, I'm gonna do another t-shirt giveaway. So this is just awesome the way this channel is growing, and y'all don't know how much it means. It means a lot that y'all come through here and check your girl out. So, alright, enough of that soft stuff, because I'm a G, OG from way back. Yeah, it is. But anyway, let's get into this Midnight Black Silhouette Cameo. Let me see. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Is that right? Cameo cuatro. Somebody tell me, Frankie, is that right? But yeah, look at that. Silhouette Cameo. Today is July 17th, 2020. Yeah, that's it. So what that means is, whew, I'm a little sweaty, y'all see that? What that means is that this Sunday, July 19th, is your girl's birthday. And this beautiful machine was gifted to me by my beautiful wife. So I am behooved. And I appreciate her, because she heard me talking about how my Cricut has a lot of restrictions, especially when it comes to like print and cut. And I want to print and cut like larger than 6.75 by 9.25. You need. Don't get me wrong, I love my Cricut. That's black as well. I'm still gonna use it, but I also want to learn this Cameo and this Silhouette software, because I just want to master all of this. I want to do everything. You did. So yeah, that's where we at. So y'all want to open it? Do you want to open the box or no? Let's do it. You did. Things first. I ordered my Silhouette from Amazon. You know, it was a gift, but I did, you know, get to pick out my color and stuff like that. So Amazon, it got here in 2 days. It came in a freaking box. You did, you know what it come in. Inside that box was this and this. You did. So this here bonus. See what that says? Bonus digital content. I didn't edit that. I really did that. Okay, so it says the Silhouette Handbook and whatnot. It's a free guide that shows you everything you need to know about Silhouette. Got a little card for 10 exclusive designs. Exclusive. I wonder what they are. It's probably like a bear holding a frog sitting on a lily pad. It's probably not exclusive. But anyway, here we go. Let's open it. I ain't playing with y'all. I got this nice new big old table in here because I also have another piece of equipment coming that's on back order, but it shall be here in a couple weeks. And I bought this table because it just deserves to have a new table, and you will see what that is when I unbox that. But I ain't gonna tell you. I'm gonna make you wait, babe. I'm gonna make you wait to see what I get. But I just want to say that I'm truly blessed, and I love my family. I thank my family so much. They support me beyond measures. Shout out to my sister Star. You know what I'm saying? For just day one, I was all in her inbox. Says, how you do this? How you do? You know, she was cutting t-shirts. I was like, how you do this? How you do that? And she ain't hesitate. Helped me out and still helping me out to this day. So love you, sis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, well, check them out. So open the box. This is the first thing you see. How to download the software. Go to silhouette.com. Setup. You know what I mean? I feel like y'all can't see this, and I need you to see it. Yeah, let's go up. Get the club going up. Alright. So what else is in this thing? Alright, so you got your power cables, which you know you need. Alright. Now these, you have your USB cable. The Cameo is also Bluetooth, so you don't need that cable. I don't know if you needed to initially set it up, but we shall find out. But I know it does have Bluetooth. Why they call it Bluetooth? Somebody tell me that. Like, who tooth was blue? And they was like, that's how we gonna pick up, like, invisible signal. I don't know. Bluetooth. Somebody tell me. Back to what we were talking about. Then you have your adapters just in case you had the Cricut. See? Cricut. Just in case you had the Cameo 3, your blades will work if you put them in these little adapters. I did not have the Cameo 3, so I won't be using them. I have an auto blade. And, yeah, that's all that's in there. And I know a lot of this because I've seen videos of people unboxing theirs. You know, like my homie Stan Banks. You know, I was going to say Stan Banks. Like, come on now. The mat. This mat is very different from Cricut's. You know? I wanted to get dirty quick like Cricut probably do because I've seen a few. This is weird feeling though. Oh, this mat. Hey. I feel like this is upside down, but I guess not. Hold on. Oh, this got a protective film on it or something? Okay. So yeah, I'm slow. That's the little protective film on it. I thought it came, I'm like, hey, what you supposed to do with this? But it comes like with the, it's like the, what is it? Like the Cricut has a little clear piece on it that you put back. This got a little piece to protect it as well. I don't know if you put this one back in that, but yeah, it should go back. So yeah, we'll go to mat. Alright. Did y'all see that though? Did you get it good? You see how the grid is different? Let me grab my Cricut mat, because it's about to be a comparison video in a minute. In 1 minute. Might end up comparing the thing. Y'all don't talk about my own Cricut mat. It's so dirty. It is so dirty. Look at it. Ugh. Oh my god. But yeah. So that's a Cricut mat. Cameo. Cricut. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Because people are like, oh, you got a Cricut. Why you get a Cameo? They're different. You know, I'm using for different things. And I wanted 2 cutters anyway. Or a bigger cutter. Which I am going to get next. So before y'all hop in the comments, be like, oh, you should have went ahead and got the big on. I ain't ready for that yet. Let me, you know what I'm talking about. Let me get in here with this Cameo. Word up. See, if you don't understand that, you two gonna watch this. But alright. Got the styrofoam pieces. I wonder if I can flip this bad boy up out of here. Oh, I'm just gonna pull it, y'all. I don't wanna break it. Your box. I don't need any more. Alrighty. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. Alright. That's how you just get, you know, small. You don't wanna huck it up one time. You know, anyway, let's take the styrofoam off. So there you have it. Nice and protected. Wish I could cut it with it like this, you know, so I never have to damage it. But no, I'm just kidding. Rip this bad boy. What y'all talking about? Oh, I always gotta get me a black machine. Like for real. Like my wife was like, okay, I'm gonna get you the Silhouette Cameo 4. I was like, oh my god, girl. I could have just, you know, she wanted to go to the store and get it for me, but I'm like, they don't have no black ones, so we gotta order that thing. Oh man. And she was like, true, because she mess with black too. But oh, before I get rid of this box, y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all the picture of the automatic roll feeder built in that thing, 12-inch. What you talking about? I'm kind of excited about that too, because I mean, they say you can cut without a mount on the Cricut, but Cricut tell me I don't supposed to. It's too much stuff you got. I know I can feed through here. You know what I'm saying? So this is more reassuring to me, and that's exciting. Yes. Okay. Toss it to the side. It's got a bunch of blue tape on it, so I'm gonna start taking it off. Ooh. God damn, look at the drop top on that thing. The goddamn, the doors, like a Lambo. That's not like a Lambo, ain't it? But it's just slid, baby. It's smooth, baby. Baby. Sugar baby. Woo. This is something about black, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just love how slick it is. Oh, small. Alright. I am excited. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yee. Alright. This side don't slide. I saw one guy unboxing his. He was like, I don't know if it opens. And he trying to push. I'm like, yo, right back in here. He's just naughty. Alright. So, the lid lifts up, push back. Oh man, oh man. Look at this, y'all. Oh, it looks so different from the Cricket. Alright. So, before I do that, y'all probably can't see it, but this says Silhouette. It's like a black on black matte finish. And it says Silhouette. But let's go ahead and get all the tape out. And there's a lot of tape in here. And protective packaging. So you gotta make sure you get it all. There's the tray. Damn, that's nice. This is worth the buy just for that alone, that feeder. It's so professional, baby. For it to be a desktop cutter, and you can roll feed this bad boy, game changer. YaDigg. Ooh, look how nice it is. All slick and cool. Just cool. For no reason. Alright. So we're going to close this back down. Turn this bad boy to the back because I know it's some tape back here. Yep. So you drop down the blade, these two joints, and you slide this over. Alright, so the feeder in the front. Put your vinyl in it. It come out the back, right? So your design is done cutting. You hit the button on the device, and it pushes your vinyl out some more in the back. And then you drop, boom, boom, these two switches, drop them. And then you slide this over, and it slices the vinyl. I don't know if I'm going to get to that in this video, but that's pretty dope, y'all. But when you're done, you got to remember to flip that back up so the next time your vinyl will pass through, no problem. But there she go. I said we plug this thing up, though. I said we plug her up and see what them lights hitting for. YaDigg. Alright, folks. So I got her plugged in. Power button is over to the right of the machine. Well, my right. Alright. Hey. No, they did. Alright, y'all. Ooh. That is so pretty. Y'all. Let me tell you something. This display, this light up. That's nice. I like to see. Let me see. Let me look at that. Notice a weird angle. Yeah. Cameo. Like this camera ain't doing it no justice. Look how clean the display is. This is, you know what I mean? Whew. Let's look at the Cricket. Hold up. That's the Cricket open, right? Oh, I'm slow. That's the Cricket open. You know what I mean? But the Cricket's got his, you know what I mean? The Cricket got this button though. One button. Drop the top, drop the top. So she's still sexy too. And like I said, I'm gonna still play with her. I ain't gonna leave her there. But this is like, ooh, you grown and sexy. It's like the Cricket grown and sexy. Yeah, this ain't for the churn. The Cricket for the churn. This Cameo. Alright. So alright. So open her back up. Guess that was the load button. Unload button. So that's load. Alright, so I'm probably not gonna get to Oh, I had the blade up, y'all. That's up. Up, down. So, I'm going to put a roll of vinyl up here so y'all can see how that works. I'm not going to, I got to still download the software and everything. I ain't going to do that with y'all right now. I probably record it, but anyway. Let's see, let me just grab a randomly got, this ain't really a roll though. You know what, let me get this brand new Caesar, what's this, some electric spearmint, because it's got the cardboard in it. So, electric spearmint, I like that, I need to make something with that. So, as you know, you always cut shiny side down. So, this roll is actually a little shorter, but you can adjust so it'll fit, right? Take this, feed it through here a while. And this is my first time doing this, y'all. But I'm guessing you kind of, oh, is that too much? Oh, you know I need to move this. You can adjust your rollers. It says little gray, it's a little gray button on your roller. And if you push that down and slide it, to one of the next notches, it'll stay. If it's not on the notch, it won't stay. So, I might even have to, seem like it's barely up there. Alright. So, okay. Boom, y'all. So let's see what happens when I hit this. Uh-oh. Oh, something ain't right. Like I told y'all, I ain't never. I feel like the blade is in the way. Let's see. Line it up with the line on the left. Right there. Line it up with that line. I guess you hit the feedback. Okay, now that seems right. Okay. Oh, I like that, y'all. So let's see if it'll keep going out the back. Yep. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it came off the back. And then that's when you would take that slicing tool in the back, lift it up, drop it down, slide it over. Boom, bada bing. But, and then you can hit unload, watch this. Everything unload. YaDigg. But that's all I got for y'all for right now. When I'm getting ready to load the software and everything, I'll be, you know what I mean, I'll come back and holler at y'all. But I just wanted to show y'all my brand new Cameo. When I learn a little bit more, I'll let y'all know something. But until next, make something. Make some money. Make a change. Make anything. YaDigg. I appreciate y'all checking me out for this real short unboxing. Till the next time. Peace out. On the 400. Y'all know 400. What the Tiger King's on. Hey, what the Tiger King's on. What? I'm gone though. YaDigg.